Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make your Android phone faster by changing a few settings. So let's get started. If your Android phone feels slow or laggy, enabling a few developer options can help improve its performance. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to About Phone. From there, find Build Number. On some phones, it may be located under Device Identifiers or Software Information. Tap the build number 7 times quickly. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. You'll then see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Now, go back to the main settings page and open Developer Options. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top of Settings to find it. Inside Developer Options, search for Background Process Limit and open it. By default, it's set to Standard Limit. If you have an older or slower phone, selecting no background processes can free up more system resources. For most users, at most 2 processes offers a good balance between performance and multitasking. If you frequently switch between apps, you can choose 3 or 4 processes instead. Next, search for Window Animation Scale and change it to 0.5x. Do the same for Transition Animation Scale and Animator Duration Scale. Reducing these animation scales makes your phone feel much faster because animations play more quickly, even though your hardware stays the same. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.